In this short tutorial, I will show you how to make someone an admin in a WhatsApp group. Making someone an admin gives them the ability to manage the group by adding or removing members, changing group settings, and more. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the group in which you want to make someone an admin. Then tap on the group name or the group icon at the top left. Then scroll down to the bottom. Now you'll see members in your group. Tap and select the person you want to make a group admin. And then tap Make Group Admin. After selecting this option, the person will now have admin rights in the group. It's important to assign admin roles carefully and only to trusted individuals who can help manage the group effectively. Also, you must already be a group admin yourself. Without admin privileges, you won't be able to make someone else an admin in the group. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.